how do I extract funds from that business in a smart manner? And I know these questions are often going to say, speak to your accountant. But in terms of that, does Osome help sellers in terms of effectively taking out personal funds from companies, whether it's wages, salaries, dividends? Does Osome, maybe perhaps at that higher level we spoke of, but do they help with that type of thing and smartly withdrawing funds in a personal sense?
There are two parts of this question. The first one is the correct accounting for those withdrawals, and that's where we'll do it ourselves. We will help you out with like how to pay the dividend yourself or how to pay the salary yourself. With regards to tax planning, is like, imagine that you have several businesses. Imagine you have investment income. There we don't yet have the solution for your tax planning, but again, we have partners that we will refer to you who will help you out with in what way should you extract money out of your business.
My next question is, can you also do the personal bookkeeping and filing for an individual seller? So they come to you with their business, they onboard their business with you, but at the year end, they also want to do their personal filing. They want to have one contact for everything. Is that something you offer as well?
Definitely. Like for the directors and business owners, we will help out with self-assessment tax. And basically we, in addition to the income that you receive from your business in form of dividend or in form of the salary, we will ask you about other income that you have, like from other businesses or from investments or from sales of the property, this kind of things. And we will help you with the self-assessment as well.
Lastly, just, last question for you would be, what advice would you give to sellers in terms of bookkeeping, accounting, but it can also be just with running their business? But from what you've seen, mistakes you've seen sellers make, or the benefits of certain things sellers have implemented, if you could just give people general advice in this regard, what would that be?
Get some accounting help and have the system set up and running like from the beginning. This will help you both be compliant and will help you to grow your business in the most efficient way.
I can agree with that. I remember putting off bookkeeping and accounting for quite a while. And then when I did implement it properly, we had to do what's called like mid-year catch-ups for the businesses. And it was so much work getting everything together to be able to onboard with the accountant. So I really do agree with Alex on this, is rather do it earlier. You can see it can be pretty cost effective. Maybe you just need to get to a certain level with the business, but then it's 100% worth it just to have that peace of mind as well. And long term, you're going to make a lot more money this way because you're going to know what's actually happening with your money. And as he said, he can do both or Osome can do both companies and personal. So you get a kind of comprehensive unit there as well. Well, Alex, I just want to say thank you so much for coming on today. I think sellers learned a lot in this. We covered some really important questions, and I've just been getting so many comments on, bookkeeping, accounting, VAT, sales tax. So I think people will be a lot more clearer on this, but also where they can get help with this, professional help at a very reasonable cost, and really what they would need to do month to month. Because that's often the most overwhelming is, I'm going to have to do all these different things. Well, you guys can see if you have a good partner in this regard, your job becomes really simple and you just have that peace of mind going forward.